Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How are you guys doing today? James, Tyrone, how are you guys doing today? How are you guys doing today? Beautiful morning, beautiful Monday morning. Couldn't wait for the market to open, and yeah, we are here. We are here. You do. Good morning, bro. How you doing? How are you doing? I have to go pick up my friend again, bro. Every time you start the stream, I have to go. We'll be back in 30 minutes. No stress, man. Find me here. You find us here on stream. Andy, good morning. How are you, man? How are you doing today? Beautiful morning indeed. Hold it up, bro. Indeed. It is a beautiful morning. Don't forget to drink water, guys. Don't forget to drink water. Don't forget to drink some fruits. Hydrate. Tyrone, how you doing, man? How you doing? How are you doing? Been waiting for the markets to open, innit? But this is literally the whole weekend. I haven't been on the charts, to be honest. I was literally off the chart. Like I did not sit here the whole weekend. I'm only opening the charts now. I was only monitoring Bitcoin on my phone, but I never even switched on my station. Like I left it like this on Friday, and I just came back now this morning. So Tyrone, how was my weekend? My weekend was chilled, man. It was chilled, really. It was chilled. How was yours? How was your weekend? Mine was just chilled. Perfect Monday morning. Yeah. Perfect Monday morning. What do we have? Nothing for today. Nothing for today. We literally have nothing for today. Literally. Everything is just wow. No news, so it's gonna be a very quiet Monday. And then tomorrow, Tuesday, we got CAD news, we got CPI, we got median, and then we got trimmed. I don't even know what these news are for, but it's part of the CPI. And that is happening in the New York. I might go live. Do we have anything enough in the New York for me to go live? I don't know. Tomorrow maybe I might go live, but we'll see. I see Trader, man. What's up? How you doing? But yeah, I might maybe just to monitor CAD and see how it is going. Maybe I might do that. And then we got GBP in the PM, and then we got NZD also during the Sydney session. So yeah, we're gonna get some crazy movements for the NZD on Tuesday night. And then Wednesday we got CPI and GBP. We're gonna have a very interesting morning, to be honest. We're gonna have a very interesting morning on this. We're gonna have a very interesting morning on the GBP on Wednesday. And then we got the FOMC, of course, in the afternoon. It's gonna get lit. And then Thursday we got some crazy news on Euro, so that's something to watch out for. And it's happening during the London session, so can't wait for that. Cannot wait for that. And GBP also, it's gonna be a hectic hectic. And then during in the morning, we're gonna have some New York high impact news. Unemployment claims definitely gonna go live on Thursday afternoon for this news again. And then Friday, we don't really get much. There's GBP in the London session, and afternoon, just a little bit later, we got this, we got that. So I might see all of this during the London session. This will happen during the London session, so I might just wait until this news is released. So yeah, that's what we have for today, man. That's what we have for this week. That's what we have for this week. We don't really have much dollar news because we had a lot last week. So now it's just the CAD, NZD, and Euro, and GBP. A lot of those this week. So just gonna focus on those. So this morning I was actually looking at this. I was actually looking at this trade, right? And yeah, I actually already took the trade myself. It's a little bit of swing, and I can explain the idea behind. This trade. You know, I can actually explain the idea behind this trade. I looked at Eurusd and the rest. They aren't really looking good, honestly, for the London session model. You know, they're not really looking good for the London session model. But the reason for this trade, it starts from the daily. But I already took this trade. Just gonna see how it actually plays out, and it's a swing. It's a little bit of a swing, and you know, it's not like a shot. It's not a shot. It's not an intra-session trade. It's more of a little bit of swing there. Might hold it until New York if it doesn't play out now. So if it doesn't play out now, so yeah, reason behind this trade, reason why I'm actually looking at this trade is because looking at the daily, right? Just simply looking at the daily. Just gonna take that out there. We got this candlestick here, we got that buy side there, we got this sell side here, and then as you can see, price did take out, gave us the sell side, and then Friday low actually took out that previous day low, that Thursday low, swept low. Obviously we also have this sell side here, which you can also just highlight there. Also have that sell side, and then now that we swept and closed, we closed above this candlestick, you know, not below it, above the candlestick close. We closed above it, so the next draw in liquidity is that buy side there. That's my actual trade idea for this. You know, my next draw in liquidity is that buy side there. Only if we closed below if it closed below the opening price of this candlestick, I wouldn't have considered that trade, or maybe close below the if it closed below the bottom wick candlestick. Yeah, but the fact that we closed inside, my next draw in liquidity is that buy side there. So that's the trade idea. It's the reason why I took the trade. I was aiming for previous week low on German, as it took weekly external range liquidity. Now it will draw to weekly fair value gap. Looks like you're looking at the weekly. You said you were aiming for previous week low, which is that week low, and then yeah, I mean, like, we took out that buy side liquidity there. The next draw in liquidity, if you're looking at the daily, I mean, if you're looking at the weekly, you know, we took out that buy side there. Damn it. We took out that buy side there, and then your next draw on liquidity can be that. So yeah, that actually makes sense. That actually makes sense. But as for me, I am looking at the daily, and especially the way it is moving. My next draw on liquidity is that buy side liquidity up there, which is the previous week high. So we're just gonna see how that plays out. Just gonna see how that plays out. Just gonna see how that actually plays out. It gave for our microstructure shift. Nice. There we go. Yeah, it did indeed. It did give the microstructure for H4 microstructure shift, and prices closed it inside. That is actually nice. So if you're in the trade, man, all the best, all the best, all the best. Just gonna see how it actually plays out. CB. So this can also play out. It's not really a bad idea. It's not really a bad trade to actually take if you actually saw this. Not bad, but as for me, first thing that I saw was actually that buy, and actually saw this microstructure shift here with the BC, and also with that daily trading idea. That's what made me draw to actually look for a buy in this, you know. Even though, yeah, looking at the inter-session, we didn't really take out Asia low, but I'm not using the London session model or inter-session model, just using my what can I say, what's this model? I even forgot what it is called, but yeah, that model, this model this model. But yeah, nah, not trading on Monday, it's just tape reading. That's dope. Do that. That is actually dope. I suggest, especially today, that we have no news whatsoever. We don't have any high impact news, so it's not really a bad idea to actually just tape read throughout the session. Honestly, I'll do the same. That is not a bad idea either. So yeah, man, that is not a bad trade at all. That is not a bad trade at all. So yeah, but as for me, this is my swing trade. We'll see how that plays out during the whole day. It's gonna hold it until the New York session, probably tomorrow. Probably hold it until tomorrow. And then if you take out buy side liquidity here, I'll just lock break even. Take out that buy side liquidity there, I'll definitely break even. Definitely break even. But we'll see how that actually plays out. And then looking at the DXY, it looks like we're gonna be getting some lower prices on the DXY. Look at that sell side liquidity there, swept. Prices dipped into that daily. It's also a daily CB. Prices went back into that daily CB, tapped into it, and then started reversing. And then it's also a H4 CB, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we rebalanced that H4. We rebalanced that H4 CB, and then looks like we're gonna get more lower prices, probably to that sell side liquidity, which only makes sense if you're getting lower prices, you know, because you're going for that 20 days low. So that's my next draw in liquidity, going for that 20 days low. And then if you still have the momentum for the month, but I highly doubt we're gonna get to the 40 days low before the month end, before the month ends. But we're just gonna see. But that 20 days low, that's my next draw in liquidity on the DXY, to be honest, unless maybe we do that prices just consolidate around these prices, and then we take out that 20 days low the coming month, creating a discount for the month, and then start giving us more higher prices on that. But just gonna see. And also looking at the weekly, you know, currently in a bearish, as you can see there, last week we closed bearish. We have that daily weekly order block there, you know, which is inside this inversion fair value gap. So yeah, next draw in liquidity, previous week low, that's where we might be going. And then also we have that swing low there, which is the 20 days low. So yeah, that is exactly what I'm expecting on the dollar. More lower prices, which means we should expect higher prices on the Eurusd. And this is the reason why I didn't even want to touch the Eurusd today, for obvious reasons, for those obvious reasons. Also, same thing if you're looking at the weekly time frame, right? Let me just clear all of that. If you're looking at the weekly time frame, looking at this candlestick there, we got that Thursday high, and then we got the Thursday low, right? So what did price do? Friday, we took out the Thursday low, right? We took out the Thursday low, and then what was the next? And then we closed inside. We closed inside of that the open. We closed inside of the open, and then what did price do now? Rejected. What's the next join liquidity? Buy side liquidity. Where's buy side? Okay, there's buy side liquidity. It's the same trading idea with the German 30 or 40 or DAX 40. It is the same trading idea. Obviously, I didn't get into this one because all of this movement happened during the Asia. Let me just go to the 15 minutes so I can see. Actually happened through Friday. Yeah, all of this happened Friday. It happened Friday, not Asia. It actually happened Friday, right? All of this actually happened Friday. So yeah, it happened Friday. But the only way to actually confirm that is to trade at the open of that daily candlestick to actually confirm the trade. And then when did that confirm? Asia session, right? As soon as market opened on Sunday, here on Sunday, that's when you could consider taking the trade. And then did we get a confirmation? Yeah, we did get a confirmation. Prices came back to retest into that BC, you know, giving us more higher prices. As you can see, as soon as we did that, came back, rebalanced that BC, and then prices went up. And then it's not just the BC, it's also the inversion fair value gap, which we just tapped into it. That inversion fair value gap, we just tapped into it, and then just the top of it, and prices just went up. Keith, good morning, man. How are you doing? How are you doing this morning? Yeah, but as I was saying, this is the confirmation for that trade. And then prices went up. It already gave about, let's say, from the Asia session, it already gave about 15 pips. But look at how price is just accumulating after taking out Asia high, you know. But the fact that my overall trend is an uptrend is the reason why I'm not gonna consider taking a sell at that Asia high. That's the reason why I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna start, like I said, this week I'm gonna start applying directional buys to our trade just to minimize the number of trades. Because looking at, we're gonna go through our thingy, but I'm gonna start applying directional buys to the trade because we've been taking a lot of unnecessary trades. Because I went through on Friday, I actually went through the trades that we have taken, and I realized that a lot of trades we took, obviously not applying directional buys. And I said it on stream that there's trades that we're gonna be taking, we're not gonna be applying directional buys. But this week I want to try something where we're actually applying directional buys to our trade, just to help us with, just to give us a proper winning rate for the week, you know, because last week's winning rate is not really good at all. Last week's winning rate, it is not good at all on stream winning rate. So yeah, that's what I have for EURUSD, higher prices. And yeah, GBP/AUD, I don't really have much on GBP/AUD. As you can see, GBP/AUD had a very consolidating month. As soon as we opened, As you can see, prices obviously from the first were dropped and then started consolidating. So I'm just gonna leave this alone. I'm gonna trade this month. I'm just waiting for the manipulation. Then you trade from the manipulation, whether we manipulate higher into that daily CB, or we manipulate lower into another PDRA. We got that also daily BC right there. So I'm just gonna wait for one, whether we manipulate higher or lower, for me to actually try and trade this trade. But right now we're just accumulating, so like we could just trade the London session model that I trade. But as for me, as you can see, prices took out Asia low. Did it give a setup? Let's see if we actually got a market structure shift. But with the way it's moving, it's just so weird. I don't think we even got that market structure shift. Prices went up and then rebalanced this BC here. It's not a market structure shift, but it's a BC. Would I have taken it? No. Also, prices went back to retest this. We didn't really get a proper microstructure shift. The only microstructure shift that we got is actually this one. Right. It's actually this microstructure shift. And then prices came back to rebalance it, and then we went up. And then as you can see right now, prices are going back into that BC. And yeah, and then if I took the trade, I probably took it from the mean threshold of this. I mean the consequent encroachment, not the mean threshold of this BC, which would be something like this, and then have a SL there, risking 12 pips, and then target was gonna be around 27 pips there. So this was probably gonna be the trade idea, but I'm not really interested in this, honestly. Not really interested in this. So yeah, ICC trader, Iran president died in a helicopter crash. That is crazy. That is crazy. How does a whole president die in a helicopter crash? Like, how does that even happen, man? That is insane. When did that happen? When did that happen? Yesterday? This morning? Do you have any idea when that happened? But that's pretty much what I have, honestly, guys. Same trading idea with the NAS buy side liquidity. As you can see, this one closed below, but we still closed inside. We still did close inside the daily candlestick low of this. And then sell side, as you can see, the wick did the damage, body telling the story. And then as soon as we opened, price just went up, looking for that buy side liquidity there. Just looking for that buy side liquidity. So that's also my next join liquidity. I'm expecting price, it's either now London or New York, to actually take out that buy side liquidity there. So that is my trade idea for this session. So that's the reason why I didn't want to look at the intraday session model. It's a little bit weird. So yeah, this morning we'll see more volatility in oil. Yeah, we'll see how oil is actually doing. Looking at I was actually looking at this on Friday, which actually took a trade, and then it played out we analyzed this on stream. We actually analyzed this on stream. Market structure shift, and I was expecting prices were just here. I was expecting price to dip into that 1 hour fair value gap and then spike up to take out that buy side liquidity. And then as soon as price dipped in, started reversing. So was it a 5-minute entry, something like that? And then I actually just hopped in. I just hopped in on the trade a little bit late. I hopped in somewhere here. Yeah, I think I'm not really late. I hopped in somewhere here, and then I actually cut the move. It was actually a good trade, and then closed that buy side. I closed that at that buy side there, and then as you can see, right after we took out buy side, started consolidating and then dropping a little bit. So yeah, That was actually not a bad trade on the, let me not delete that, on the Bitcoin. So I was actually waiting, that's why I said I was monitoring Bitcoin on my phone. I was actually waiting for something to happen on the Bitcoin, but nothing really interesting actually happened. We're currently in a daily order block, bullish order block, so I'm still expecting more higher prices, and the way we're just consolidating, I feel like we're just accumulating orders to actually take us up. So I'm still bullish on the Bitcoin, obviously targeting buy side liquidity. I'm guessing that's not all-time highs, that's just yeah. So I'm expecting price actually reject off of this daily order block, give us more higher prices, but we're just gonna see how that actually plays out. Just gonna be monitoring that then there. What are you guys looking at this session? Anything interesting this session? I said oil. Let's look at oil. That's crude oil, isn't it? Of course we don't have the futures. I think we should, let me just check that on top step. Let me just check that on the futures chart. You said you should expect some volatility, and nothing really happened so far today. So yeah, once they hit the market, something bad maybe might affect the oil, but we'll see. Even the 50k, I'm also, let me go see, I'm actually just left with $700 to actually pass the 50k to with top step. So if I get a proper trade today during the New York session and hit TP, I'm definitely gonna pass the 50k too. So there's that. Okay, no. So yeah, let's check oil. Yeah, nothing really happening, nothing really interesting. Getting some bullish prices with that market structure shift on the daily there with the CB, you know, so maybe prices might start dropping from there, maybe from the mean threshold, I mean the consequent encroachment of that, maybe might start giving us some lower prices, you know, maybe might start giving us some lower prices, but we'll see actually how that plays out. We'll see how that plays out, if you're gonna, you know, yeah, get some lower prices. But top step 50k too, also close to passing. As you can see, I've made 2.3 so far. My target should be 3k, and I'm only left with 700 to make. And then I've only been trading this for 4 days. I only traded this account for 4 days. As you can see, first day hit an SL there, minus 1,000, hit the daily pause, the daily maximum there, as you can see. And then following day just made profit. Also third day profits. Second day I made 900. Third day also 900. The fourth day I made 1.4. So if I can make that 700 also, I'll get that part. I'll take that target profit, and yeah, also get funded with 50k. So that would be a total of $150,000 with top step on stream that I actually traded on stream. So That's exciting. So yeah, I'm just gonna monitor this, see how this actually plays out. If we get a microstructure shift, maybe on the, is it the 1 hour? Yeah, we get a microstructure shift, a bearish microstructure shift on the 1 hour. Maybe we might consider taking a sell on oil. But until then, we're just gonna wait and see what's really happening. Why you guys? I'm in short. Congrats, thanks, man. Thanks, SAT. Thanks, ICT trader. I'm in Bitcoin short. Bitcoin short. What's your target? James, what is your target? If you're in Bitcoin short, what is actually your target? And guys, don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to like the stream. And make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell so that you don't miss me when I go live. You don't come late, or you don't miss a session where I go live, you know. So if you hit the notification bell, you will get notified whenever I go live immediately, 30 minutes before, and when I go live, you will get notified, or whenever I post, which I'm actually planning to do your daily day in a life of a trader. I'm planning to do those since I go live a lot. So all my lessons, all my trading style, everything is here. I don't think I feel the need to actually post your weekly chart, weekly analysis, weekly outlook, since I do that on stream. So I can just do day in a life, you know, which I want to actually do that very soon again. Start doing more of those and also go live every day. So yeah, maybe just upload one day in a life, or maybe I can just do like a week, like maybe do like a 3 days worth of day in a life, you know. I go through everything, my day activities, blah blah blah, all that nonsense. But we'll see how I actually structure that. But I actually want to do that, a lot of those too. James, excuse me, James, what's your target? If you're short on Bitcoin, what's actually your target? What is your target? What is your target? And remember, guys, this is the only trade that I've taken so far this morning. This is the only trade that I've taken so far. German. It's the only trade that I've taken so far. The buy, which is a swing, right? Which I don't think it'll play out during this London session, all of it. So probably update it on the next stream. Whatever results it gives us, just update that on stream. And yeah, what are you guys looking at? What are you guys looking at this session? What are you guys looking at? James is looking at Bitcoin, of course. What else? Who else is here? Edu, what are you looking at? Godfrey, what are you looking at? ND, what are you looking at? Holadapo, Tyrone, Mads, what are you looking at? ICT trader also didn't really tell me what you're looking at this session. What are you looking at? What are you guys looking at this London session? Eurusd, I haven't really checked the gbpusd this morning. Look at that new wick opening gap, massive. It's probably just this broker. If I'm not on another broker, there's no new wick opening gap. Let me actually, I don't have that, but that massive new wick opening gap there. So yeah, and the only gold not the best today. Yeah, I think gold is just giving us higher prices. Yeah, gold has just been giving us higher prices, which actually hit my TP this morning actually. my last TP, which I actually bought all the way from down there. From when? Thursday? Yeah, this was Thursday. I actually took a buy on gold from Thursday and targeting that buy side liquidity, and then I took some partials along the way, somewhere there, and then last TP actually hit there. Let me check, actually share that. What is going on? Oh yeah, as you can see, the gold actually took a trade here on Thursday, took a buy. As soon as that that trade for me confirmed that I was looking at, took a buy there, took some partials here. I think I took 50% off of my trades there, not profits. And then as you can see, as market opened with a gap, and then yeah, finally hitting my last TP level on gold. So that was a trade. Actually, that was a beautiful trade. And also the I think I shared this on the Telegram channel. If you're on the Telegram channel, you probably already saw this. And then there's that Bitcoin trade where I went in a little bit late on the trade. I went in a little bit late. I could have caught it somewhere. Jesus Christ, let me do the autoplay. Okay, I could have got in a little bit early, maybe somewhere here, which I actually missed. So I just entered a buy there, and as you can see there, hitting my TP. So yeah, that was a beautiful trade too. Beautiful trade. Got free. I'm looking at eurjpy. Eurjpy. Let me check that out. What is going on? Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna look at eurjpy to sell. You're looking for a sell. ICT said I was looking for H4 order block to inversion in German. Then I'm ready to go for sells. Oh, you're looking for a sell. Oh yeah, you mentioned that. Only looking at EU. Same analysis as yours, waiting for that high to be taken, and then look for continuation or sell. That's dope. That's dope. Also go through that again. And then Keith said, passed my phase 1 evaluation level. Congrats, man. Congrats. Where's my applause? Where's my applause? I'm gonna get that in a while. Don't worry. Where's my applause? Where's my applause? Let's give Keith. Let's give him some W's in the chat, guys. Let's give some W's in the chat. W's in the chat. I know this might sound, I know a lot of you will say it. Yeah. Let's give him some. No, clap hands for him, guys. This is what we like to see. This is what we like to see. You know? W's in the chat. For our brother Keith. Dope, man, keep doing that. And then you said, sorry for all that extra work. But yeah. Past phase 1, took a little risk, but cleared and gained 1% in second phase as well in last week. That's dope. I'm guessing your second phase, it's a little bit halved. I don't know which prop firm you're trading. Which prop firm are you trading? But just take it a little bit slower. Don't get too excited, you know, just trade the proper way, man, and get that funded account, man, and do the same thing. So, man, happy for you, man. I'm glad that you progress. You wanna see progress. You wanna see progress. Wanna see progress, guys. Progress. I said I'm gonna go through GBP, Euro GBP, right? High stake. Oh, so your next target is 4%. The next target is 4%, so you're only left with 3%. So yeah, sounds like keyboard. I know. I should get a proper soundboard, guys, with proper sounds. I should get that. Don't worry, I'll get that. I'm just using the one from Discord. It doesn't sound anything like. It does not sound anything like hands, clapping hands, but I'll definitely, yeah, I'll definitely get my own proper presets sound. Definitely. Wait, what? I started bootcamp, Mr. ED, Mr. Ed. That's dope. That is dope. Phase 1. Just keep grinding, my guy. A bootcamp, even though it's 3 steps, but if you can pass a bootcamp, man, there's nothing that can stop you. Nothing that can stop you, my guy. So, Edu. You said you are looking at GBP, Euro GBP to actually sell, right? Yeah, I'm like looking at the daily. We're in a bearish. Well, I just bearish obviously look good. Weekly it's just consolidating, but it looks like we're gonna be taking some lower prices on this. Prices failed to take out that buy side liquidity up there, right? Failed to take that up buy side liquidity. We rejected off of the order block. We rejected off of this order block there. Let me just use this. Rejected off of this bearish order block. So internal range liquidity to external. What's the external? We got that sell side there. We got that sell side liquidity. So a sell wouldn't actually be a bad idea, actually. And then currently we're in did we tap into that CB? Did price tap into that CB? Nah, not yet. So if price can actually go up and tap into that CB, that might be actually a good reason to actually take that sell. Yeah, so yeah, we're just looking for a sell. So yeah, my trade obviously long term, we got that buy side there, we created that buy side, and then we have that sell side. But since we rejected off of that bearish order block, so we're going from internal liquidity to external liquidity. So next draw in liquidity is that external liquidity. So yeah, Edu, yeah, it's not a bad idea to actually take a sell here. Just wait for that trade, and then yeah, definitely will be dope. KB, morning, man. Any trades taken? On stream, my guy? I'm already on this. This is the trade. What is this? How did I separate that? How did I oh my days, let me see. Are we on the I don't know how I said, guys, how do I okay, I'm just gonna close you cause wow. And then now we got all this extra stuff. I think I'm gonna leave those previous day open. Just gonna fix my sessions because I start mine ends at 11 and then this one starts at 7 until 12. Obviously I need to see that break, lunch, and then from there Asia 6 to midnight. We're good. So this is a trade that I took, man. Buy on German, KB. Got the buy on the German. This is previous day low, which already took out. I'm guessing. I'd like to believe so. Is that? That's previous day high. Previous day high, not low. Bouncing off that previous day high. What is this? What's MO? Midnight open. There we got midnight open, and then definitely in discount. We got that midnight open discount for the day. So yeah, so this is the only trade that I took, KB. That's only trade. Oops, EU seems to be going for Asia low. Let's see. Oh yeah, just like that. That is nasty. Ooh, did we get a trade? There we get. Oh yeah, we got a market. So this thing actually shows your. I never really used this indicator to this extent. Really, I don't like it to show me too many things. I don't want it to show me too many things, honestly. So I'm gonna hide all the. I don't even know how. Okay, I'll hide that later. But yeah, the XY flying. Yeah, makes sense why the euro is actually giving us this lower prices here. Yeah, we're going for that Asia high too. And then looking at this, finally going for that sell side there. I don't even know what that is. And yeah, I wanted to check if you actually gave us a microstructure shift on after the Killzone. So this is the Killzone. Killzone started here. Did we get a microstructure shift? We did actually get one. Here's one microstructure shift to sell. Here's another one microstructure shift. Do we get a second microstructure shift? We got that second microstructure shift, but it's not what I would trade, so I wouldn't. In my world, that doesn't exist. And as you can see, price went back to rebalance. This microstructure shift, this the main threshold of this consequent encroachment of this broke below, went up, touched there, and then we dropped. And I like the fact that we are above midnight open, and then prices just dropped. So yeah, how many pips is that? 10 pips, 11 pips covered, but obviously including spreads, 10 pips, and then target would be around 18 pips. 18 pips, not bad. Then we got this sell side here. I'm guessing that's what this line is for, which is already taken out. Prices might reject into another internal range liquidity, which is on the 5 minute. That's the order block, so we might go back into that order block and then give us lower prices before we actually continue going lower to take out our Asia low. Or price can just drop. It can just drop. So yeah, all prices can just drop. So there's that. Yeah, and if the DXY is flying, which means the NAS should be falling, right? But it's not. NAS is also going higher prices, which is a weird combo. Weird combo. It actually identifies the market structure shift. This tool actually identifies the market structure. I don't think I've been using this tool to its fullest, right? For a reason. I just don't like the idea of a system giving me something that I didn't see in the first place. That's why I hate all of them. That's how you learn, that's how you move on, that's how you are able to actually identify. So if you're actually depending on a system that shows you something, you'll end up getting used to it, and then without it, it'll be hard for you to actually trade, because your mind, you depend on that system. You know, you're actually depending on that system. So that's why I hate all of this. As you can see here, it did actually show me the proper market structure shift. As you can see, it highlighted here. This is a system, this is not me, but I don't want to get used to this. I'm definitely gonna take this out once I find a way, because I don't want to get used to I think it should be all of this. Yeah, I think it should be all of this. Nah, I think I hit way too much. But yeah, once you depend too much on the system, yeah, I think I hit way too much. Okay, let's just keep all of you guys here. Well, no, I'll just edit that properly. What? Come on. Show rated line, show sessions, show separator lines. Okay, yeah, please do that. Should we go? Yeah, there we go. I might start giving us some lower prices. It only makes sense if you get lower prices in the NAS. DXY reversing. How is the German? It's still, it's just still there. Really, it's just there, doing its thing. It is just there doing its thing. What else? Did I go through the eurjpy? Yeah, I did. And what else? So, and then somebody said, yeah, oh, Mr. Ed, when did you start the bootcamp? This week. I only started this week. Yeah, I only started this week. Let's see. Did you start this week or? There's a new week opening, yeah. This week, bought it last week, but haven't started trading. Oh, dope. The thing needs patience. You gotta have patience. Because it's a lot of steps. You might lose yourself. In between. But once you get all of it, you'll be fine. It's not as hard as it looks. You will be fine there. You will be fine. So this is the trade. This is the trade for the session. This is the only trade for the session. I didn't want to trade the Eurusd because of my daily. I know I'm seeing a lot of lines here. The daily bias. The daily bias is the reason why. And yeah, we might reject off of the new week opening gap. I'm guessing this is the new week. I would like to believe this is the new week. Yeah, this is the new week opening gap. So I would like to actually to see price come and test this new week opening gap right after Asia low, and then we can take a swing. Right, I can actually take a swing on the EURUSD, and this will probably be the trade from the new week opening gap, and then target will be right below that. I mean SL, and then I'll target that buy side liquidity. So yeah, I might take a swing on this. If we actually tap into that, give us some reversals, microstructure shift into that new week opening gap, and then yeah, this might be my trade on the EURUSD. This is the only trade that I would take on the EURUSD. As soon as we tap into the new week opening gap, I'm definitely gonna look for some buy liquidity. So yeah, I like that. Not as hard as it looked. Yeah, it's not as hard as it is looked, man. It's not that hard. Like if you're just looking at it from hindsight, like, oh shit, 3 steps, same target for each step, like, oh, you're gonna crack your skull. But trust me, it's not as bad as it looks. Once you follow your plan, you'll be fine. You'll actually be fine. Let me set some pending orders on that crude oil. Let me actually edit. Can I even edit? I'm actually interested in that. Obviously not the CFD. Okay, somebody gotta die. Somebody gotta go. Oh my god. Okay, who else? If these are all my IPTA data, which one I haven't updated? Yeah, I haven't updated you. They said they nothing for you. That's crazy. How many am I dating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. That is crazy. That is crazy. Nelson. KB. I'm in on sell on gold. What do you have on it? We took out all-time high, right? We took out all-time high. So if you're gonna sell, what's your target? God damn! Look at all this buy-side liquidity that has actually been swept. That is insane. On a sell, where did you take it? First of all, obviously now. Yeah, I mean, like for a session trade, yeah. For a session trade, doesn't look bad. We covered. We have that balance. We have that balance price range here. You know, we have this balance price range here, and then price tapped into that almost mean threshold of that CB, right? And then this might be, yeah, man. Sell is not bad here actually. A sell is not bad. Asia high has been taken out. Can target that Asia low, or just target the previous day high. Prices might reject off of that. Must pay attention to that. So yeah, is there a way to remove this? That annoying me actually. The fair value gaps, bullish and bearish fair value gaps. Here they are, alerts. Okay, it's fine. This is fine. Show fair value gaps, mitigation, deleted. Yeah, I don't want to see all of that. So yeah, sell is not bad, to be honest. Honestly, not bad. If you want to sell already, just hold it. But obviously, we're in an uptrend right now, right? But looking at the daily, I mean, looking at the H4, we still have that. We have this CB here, which I think it might be in the next joint liquidity. Prices might come into this and then give us higher prices. So let's look at the 15 minutes, which is the previous day low. I mean, previous day high. 5 days high, you know. So yeah, but sell, not bad. Nelson, how you doing, man? I'm good. How are you doing? How are you doing today? Man? What are you looking at today? What's your trade? I'll be back, guys. I wanna get some water. Fill in my bottle of water. Sorry, nobody, baby. You go crazy. Look at how Bitcoin just reversed off of, I don't know what level that is. That's is that an order block? It's a bullish order block. I was just rejected off of that bullish order block and then swoosh. nasty stuff, and also have this bullish order block here, which it just rejected off. And gold, yeah, gold should just also respect that CB. Should just reject off of that CB, give us some lower prices. Let's see how the dollar index is actually going. We're gonna take the buy side there. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to actually hit that like button. Yes, that last week I actually said I wanted to actually watch look at get like one pair that we can watch to swing the whole week, right? That we can actually watch for the whole week. And what pair can we actually, guys, let's pick one pair that we're gonna focus for the whole week as a swing for the whole week. Let's pick one pair. Can be one or can be two, but I would like it to be one that we're just gonna analyze long term and then see how it plays out at the end of the week. Which pair do you think we can focus on? It can be exotic, it doesn't matter. It can be USD-JPY, it can be USD-CAD, it can be any pair. Which pair do you guys, USD-NZD? Which pair do you guys think we should look at? NZD. I like the way NZD already took out 20 days high. We took out, I mean, NZD JPY, how we steadily just been literally going up from the first. Like the only bearish candlestick that we had was on the 10th, which is just that, and then ever since we literally just been bullish every single fucking day. That is crazy. What the hell? Now I'm looking at this like, god damn. Like for the past 3 weeks, yeah, we've been bullish. And on the daily, literally every single day, you can literally buy anywhere and you'll still be in bullish. For how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 week, and then there's the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 2 weeks, this thing has been just bullish. That is crazy. Honestly, this is crazy. We took out buy side or the daily. Why does this look? Why does this look like? Oh, I thought it was like an all-time high or something. But yeah, we took out buy side liquidity. And should we expect some lower prices from now? Let's check the, let's see if we can actually get the seasonal tendencies and if it's safe to actually expect some lower prices on the, okay, I can't get the yen. I don't know why. Jesus, I can't get the yen for some weird reason. NZD dollar. What is this? What is this? That is weird. Let me just try to search yen. Okay, let's just try to see if we can get the NZD. Yeah, there we go. Ah, my days, what the hell? Let me see if we can steal it. Were we successful? Yeah, stole it. We got twist and turn, twist and turn. Why is it black? Okay, let me just May, New Zealand dollar to yen seasonality. The month of May, seasonal tendencies actually said we should be expecting some lower prices, but did we get that lower prices? No, we've actually been bullish this month, right? So, and then as you can see, direction always changes between mid-month, right, towards the end of the month, and then give us higher prices. So another question is, should we expect some reversals also on the NZD? Because since we've been bullish, we took out that that April high, that 20 days high. Should we expect some lower prices from it, or more higher prices, right? That's the question. But what do you guys think? NZD-JPY for this session? I mean, for this week. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? We'll try to catch like a nice sell, right? Because buying is like, okay, we already took out that buy side liquidity, so at least if we took out buy side liquidity, next strong liquidity. And I like how prices here, we created that BC there, prices here, went into deeper discount, went back to tap into that, and then started rejecting off of that. So that is actually nice, quite impressive. And then try to catch a sell from that CB there, at least. And the DJPY makes sense. Guys, are you still here? Am I muted or something? You guys, sounds like you're sleeping, guys. Must wake up. NZD-JPY, or it can be NZD-USD. I'm guessing might have something similar. Currently we're in a daily. Also, we're in a daily CB with the market structure shift. So this is already a nice actually trade. So market structure shift there, the daily, and then market structure shift on the daily, maybe switch to the 1 hour, wait for that market structure shift to the downside to actually take a trade. I think this might be a good trade actually, to actually swing trade. And then if I'm looking at the daily, what is my target, right? What is my target? We have this BC here, either obviously targeting min threshold of it, or just targeting that low, the high of this candlestick, this order block there. So, you know, if the trade is taken, might swing it a little bit above that, and then all the way to this. This doesn't seem like a bad trade. Honestly, doesn't seem like a bad trade, but the fact that we are just oof. But yeah, honestly, I'm interested in this. I might swing this whole week. This is my swing for the week. This is my swing for the week. So currently waiting for reason why daily CB with the microstructure shift. Daily CB with the microstructure shift. Switching to the 1 hour. I'm gonna wait for this microstructure shift to give me an entry. If it doesn't, I'll wait until it does. So yeah. Shooting gold at 1:2 risk ratio. Entry at Asia high, TP at Asia low. Did I read that right? Entry at Asia high, TP at Asia low, SL at above of all time. What do you think? It's a valid trade. Let's go. Entry at Asia high, SL above all time high, TP Asia low. Not a bad trade. We discuss. I'm like, you know, the sell could have been proper there, you know, and then if you get something else now, also not a bad trade, right? You know, it's not really a high probability trade for me, but it looks good. Looks good. Just don't risk more than you normally do, right? But it looks good, man. Not bad, not bad. Especially targeting the Asia low, right? We took out buy side liquidity. We took out this Asia high, swapped it. So what's the next drawn liquidity, right? What's the next drawn liquidity? So once you find that next drawn liquidity, will be fine. So very steep there, very steep. So next drawn liquidity, it's either this H4BC. Prices might get rejected off of this H4BC, or we're going for the one lower here. Going for that one lower there, right? Or I might come for this one. We'll never know with the microstructure shift. Buy side with a microstructure shift. So either one of them, I feel like it's the next drawn liquidity. Any one of them is the next drawn liquidity. So taking a side is not really a. What was your entry then? What do you think? It's a valid idea. What is your entry? What is your entry? Where is your entry? Where is your entry? What is the reason for your entry? Not where, but what is the reason for your entry? Right. Order block. If this, well, this is a bullish order block. What is your reason for entry? Breakup block. Palace price range, CB. What's your trade? What's your trade idea? What's your trade idea on gold? If you don't mind, maybe sending a chat on Telegram. If you don't mind doing that. I know. I know. I know. Oof. Okay. I know.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
I know you again. Testing something out. Let's see. Doesn't work. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Constantine subscribe to the channel.
Oh, nice. We got that. I wasn't G-Wagon. Are you taking this trade? No. IC2, no. I'm not taking this trade. This was just... Hey, guys, I'm just tape reading. I did not take this trade. I did not take it. Here I'm just tape reading. The only trade that I took, my guy, is this is the only trade that I took. It's the only trade I took. But target up there, so. And then I'm only gonna break even after we take out buy side liquidity. Yeah, I only break even then. I'll only break even then. High fashion, G-Wagon. This is the only trade that I have, me guy. The rest.
Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now?
Cause I'm up by now.
You suck right now.
I hit it out, figure it out, but how about now? What trades are you guys on? I know Sam was obviously waiting for that. KB said he's on a sell. Who else? Somebody said on EuroUSD. What did he say on EuroUSD? GBP, Euro GBP. Waiting for a sell. And James said short Bitcoin, yeah, short Bitcoin. Excuse me. Yeah, on a short on Bitcoin. And who else? This said that, yeah. I never increased but still when the touch that, yeah, I guess I see in the 10 that, yeah. I didn't even see my friends that, yeah. They never fuck with me, man, damn, but how about now? What do you think of NZD USD buying trade? We literally just went through NZD USD literally. Shows that you're not here. We literally went through it and I'm looking for a sell. Not buys. Yeah, NZD USD, CB, market sector shift there. I'm waiting for a 1 hour, this 1 hour market structure shift to give me something I can work with. I'm waiting for that. And then obviously if you're looking at intraday session, we're in an uptrend, right? Yeah, intraday session you can wait for your 1 minute market structure shift and try to buy it. As you can see, the market structure shift is right there. If we get that market structure shift up there, that would be nice, right? But as for me, I am actually looking at a swing. I'm actually looking at a swing trade, right? I'm looking at a swing trade. So if this actually close, like this, if this actually close like this, damn it, man, nigga. If this actually closes like this, you know, if this closes like this, and then the next one, do the same thing. And the next one does the same thing, and then it gives me this microstructure shift there. and then if price actually come back and retest that market structure shift, I'll be happy to actually take a sell. Oh, we just closed right now and didn't really give me the market structure shift that I literally just drew. I would have actually liked this to actually close a little bit below and then give us more lower prices, giving us a perfect market structure shift. Giving us a perfect market structure shift. What do they call it? The one that, yeah, that one, the one that I normally use. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. I want price actually close lower, confirm this CB, and then yeah, I'll actually take the sell as a swing. Like I said, as a swing. So the trade will be something like this. The trade will be something like this. Short, maybe 30 pips. Risk will be 30 pips or more, and then TP. This is what I'll be looking at the rest of the week. Something like this. So the trade idea will be something like this. 30 pips for how many pips? 80. It will be something like that. So yeah. Do you use any position sizer calculator for MT5? Yes, I do. I do use a position sizer. I do use a position sizer. Let me show you real quick. For example, I use this one. So if I want to take a trade, let's just say for example, I want to take a trade from here, sell to sell side here. So this is a stop loss one, SL above there, as you can see. It's like 13 pips, it shows you there, and then TP is right there, it shows you 38 pips. And then yeah, you have to make sure that, damn it. So you have to make sure that everything there is short, you know, if you want to take a long, the other way around, short, the other way around, right? So make sure that you get that market structure, market instant, and then your risk, you can just choose if you want to risk $100 on this trade, and then it shows you your risk and your reward. And then as you can see, your risk is 1.4, but if you want to risk 1% exactly straight, you know, it gives you that. And then it shows you the lot size that it's going to execute it, and then trade, of course, then you take the trade. Can't see the name, position sizer. I've shared this so many times on the position sizer. I'll just send it in the chat. I'll just share it in the chat. I'll just share it in the chat. Let's look for it. Position size, that isn't. Is this one? Where's the download button? Yeah, it should be somewhere. Oh yeah, there's it. ICT trade. This is for MT. I don't know which MetaTrader this is for. Oh yeah. I'll just share that real quick, and I hope you all know how to install this. Where's those download buttons? I think they're up there. There we go. MetaTrader 5, copy link, paste. That's for MetaTrader 5. Second one is for MetaTrader 4. Just in case any of you guys are using MetaTrader 4. So yeah, download, installation should be visible. Just have to make sure that you paste it there. And yeah. And then just in case you want some directions, here's the link too on how to install. You're sorted. Just like that, you're sorted. Yeah, this, I'm waiting for it to confirm. I want this to close in the next hour. If this close, I don't mind taking that CB and sell it off. It's fine. It's a swing anyway. Gold falling. The DXY, what's happening with the DXY? Yeah, just rejected off of that buy side there. German, let's see what's happening. It actually took out buy side Asia high. It actually took out Asia high, so I'm just gonna break even on this trade. I'm just gonna break even on this trade, and I'm just gonna break even. Whatever happens, it happens. I'm breaking even. If prices reject, come back to entry, I am out, and it is fine. If that actually happens, it is fine. So yeah. Even though I feel like it's a little bit early, honestly, to break even. It's a little bit too early, but no, not broke even. Log profits at yeah. I log profits at break even. We'll be back in a few minutes.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my
What do we got? ICT trader, I said you're looking at NZD USD. Okay.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you find or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
What was the ICT trade? I still here. What was the trade? Reason why you wanted to buy, because you said you wanted to buy. I'm guessing obviously you're looking at the inter-session trade. You probably saw Asia low swept and did it give a market structure shift? It's a failed market structure. As you can see it here, it failed. Yeah, there wasn't really a clean one. There isn't really a clean market structure shift, a bullish market structure shift. But I'm waiting for price to do this. I'm waiting for price to do this, then I can sell. I'm back, bro. You've been back. You've been coming back, my guy. Damn. James. You've been coming back. But hey, man, glad you back. Glad you back. So this is another swing trade that I'm actually waiting for. I think I already explained the trading idea. It's a daily CB with the microstructure shift. If just gonna wait for that 40 minutes. And then if this CB actually still stands out very much like to take the trade, let me actually set an alert on this just to see in the next 40 minutes. We'll just see how that is, just to take the trade. If I take it, if it's still valid. Gold playing games doesn't really give us what we need, but this one, tape rating, I did not take this. Have you tried equity edge? What is equity edge, my guy? It's a position sizer too. I'm guessing. Oh, it's a prop firm. No. Is this a prop firm? I have never tried it. I don't know. It's a new prop firm. Hey, see this new prop firms. Hey, that guy. It's new. It's new. 2.5. $10. Phase 1. Oh, this is a one step. How much is a 5K? $20. This is so good to be true. This is so good to be true. Okay, it's not. This is okay. This is yeah, I don't know. Very cheap funded account. There is a sale going for 10K soon. It's going to be for 28. It's legit as well. My friend got a payout. Yeah, as long as he got a payout, that's dope. But if you wanna get it, make sure you get your payout now. They're in the UK, so as long as they're not American, man, you're good. As long as they're not American, but we'll see. I might try it for the sake of trying. Might try it. Might, but I don't like using prop firms that are new or that haven't been in the game for that long. Especially the new ones. Yeah. Maybe I might go in and they have a trailing stop loss. Just to try it. Go hard, try to get a payout, and yeah, not for the long run. Yeah, not for the long run. But hey, we'll see. As long as they're good, as long as they give you your payouts, that's fine, man. But as for me, I don't think I will try. Maybe for experimental purposes. But yeah, two-step, yeah. Target, yeah, same shit. Technically the same thing, but I see they have a special, so that's nice. That is nice, not bad. I want someone who has tried this and got a payout. So James, if you got it, if you got this, you must show us a payout. And if you get funded, request a payout and get your payout, you must show us. Then we'll follow. No, like sheep. We'll be sheep. We'll follow. We will definitely follow. But yeah, man, seems cheap. 10k, $40. Obviously the normal price is 67, but yeah, this is cheap. I wonder how long they'll have this the special for, but seems cheap. When did they I wonder when did they open it? When did it launch? I wonder when they launched it. Excuse me. I wonder when they launched. I wonder when they launched. Okay, bro, I'm funded 3 accounts at the moment. 2.5k account and 1.5k. Yeah, man, try to get a payout. Show us. Must keep the hard work. Pass, man. Pass. And show us the payouts will definitely join. Definitely join. Going back to entry. Right after taking Asia high. Price is reversing to entry. Be back, going to get food. 5 minutes. Alright, bro. Alright. This is Nas. Took out previous day high and previous day low. Which is, oh no, this is H4. Oh, I thought that was a daily. Crazy. Yeah. Still going up there. Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin is gonna we dip below the midnight price, probably go for that previous day high. We'll see. But the trade I'm waiting for is this one. Patiently waiting. 30 minutes. But guys, we don't really have much for the day today, to be honest. We don't have any since we don't have any trades, intra-session trades. The NZD they'll definitely update if it confirms on the group, on the Telegram channel. If you haven't joined, check the link in the description of this stream. You'll definitely find it there. And yeah, I feel like, guys, this is just what we have for today. And yeah, and then gold also tape reading that sell. So whoever's holding your sell on gold, just keep holding as long as you have your SL up there. And yeah, I feel like we don't really have much. I don't really have much for today. Just one trade. So yeah, but before we go anywhere, how about we play a game of Waddle like last time? Let's play Waddle. For extra, turn on hard mode. Should we turn this hard mode? Because it was hard as hell. Valentine, you guys are coming to the stream a little bit late. What's up, man? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? So what's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? What is the word of the day? What is the word of the day, guys? What's the first word that we're trying? What's the word of the day? Faith. Interesting. Interesting. Let's get the stream. Also, while we're on this, let's get the stream to 20 likes, guys. 20 likes. 20 likes. Faith. Let's try that. Valentine, give us faith. Okay. Valentine. It looks like the only word that gave us a clue is the I, which is not in the right rotation. So yeah, any word that has an I, any other word that has an I, any word that has an I. What else do we got? I'll put it on hard. I hope that's... Hey, should I turn it off? Can I even turn it off? Doesn't make any difference though. Oh shit. Okay. Damn. I'll turn it back on. But I think it was turned on for this round. Any word that has an I, but not here. Somewhere. I wanted to try pride, but I will be here, and then I can't be. It shouldn't be here. The I shouldn't be here. So what else, guys? What else? What's the other word? What is another word? What is another word? What is another word, guys? Come on, there's like how many of you guys watching? 11. 11 of you guys watching. Just suggest anything we can work with right now. Anything we can work with. 11 people watching. When I hit that 300 mark, thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing too. I really appreciate it. Thank you. For all these people that subscribed, thank you. But now we're here. Okay, let me try let me try. Well, this no, it's not. It won't work. Okay. Let's see. It said giver. Okay, let's try yours. I trust yours. Giver. Let's see. Let's try giver. See if it actually goes through. Nice. Nice. This is some good stuff. So I is in the right place, E is in the right place, R is in the right place. Yeah, only left with 2 words to replace G and V. Literally. Literally. I'm gonna try timer. I'm gonna try timer. What a waste. What a waste. What a waste. Okay. A word. Everything is in the right place. I, E, R. The only words that we have to replace is the T and M. Right? So I have to replace T and M. What's that? What is that? What is that? Wiser. Wiser. Mr. Ed. No T. Yes, no T. No T, Mr. Ed. Hola dapo. Wiser. Let's try that. Let's try that. Remember that once we do this, I only got left with 2. So give us the win, Mr. Ed. Give us the win. Okay, we're gonna pretend like that didn't happen, right? Just gonna pretend like that didn't happen at all. And we're gonna move on. You know, 2 chances. 2 chances. Right. It's fine. We're left with 2 chances. What's the word? What is the word? The I is in the right place. The E is in the right place. The R is in the right place. Just have to replace the W and the S. What's that word? And it does not contain all the tiger. No, it can't be tiger. But instead it can be tiger because T is not in the word. The ones that are gray, if it's gray, the letter is not there. If the letter is gray, it's not in the word at all. Totally. It's not in the word. So what do we have? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? T is not there. Yes, T is not there. Dina, well, Dina, isn't it Dina like, or like diner? Can be like diner, right? Those words are not here, so that might be a good guess, right? This might be a good guess, right? But, and the fact that N is not there at all and D is also not there, right? But you should remember, Mr. Ed, that this is our last, this is our second last, right? So if I press that enter, right, only left with 1, only left with 1 chance. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. But at least we got some, right? So I'm guessing the word starts with an N, right? Because N is in the word, but it's not supposed to be here, and the only place that it can be is here. So it should be something like, and then ER, should get, I can't say nigga, right? Can't be nigga, because nigga is 2 words. And I highly doubt they'll put that here. But we're gonna speed past that. What's the word? What's the word? What is the word that is supposed to be? N should be in the right place. I is in the right place. Here is what's missing. ER is the middle. So it's the last one. So what is nicer? Nicer. Yeah, nicer, right? Is that what we are taking the last try on? Is this our last try? What's other options? What are the other options? Other options. This is the last option. This is our last chance. So are we agreeing on this? Are we all agreeing on this? Let's just say yay. Let's see some hands in the chat. Let's see some yay in the chat if you agree with nicer. If you agree with nicer, let's see some yay in the chat. Let's see some yay in the chat. If you agree with nicer. Let's see some yay in the chat. And then in the meantime, let's see how these ones are going. Let's see, excuse me. Let's see how this is going. Bitcoin, gold, finally some action, right? Finally some action. Eurusd, I haven't checked Eurusd in a while. Still like we're dropping. Get them all lower prices. Going for that sell side, right? It has to be nicer. Okay. So we are agreeing on nicer, right? We are agreeing on nicer. It has to be nicer. Okay. I'm gonna hit that enter. I'm gonna hit that enter. I'm gonna hit that button. Let's go. Let's go. Got it on the last one. The very, very last. The very, very last. But we got it. 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 W's in the chat. W's in the chats. Ah, Valentine. You're too late. You're too late. Too late for that one. So here's some W's in the chat. So yeah, guess that was the word. That was the word. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the. Let's get the stream to 20 likes. Let's get the stream to 20 likes. You know, get some 20 likes. We're sitting on 17 right now. If you haven't liked, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit it. You don't just hit it, you smash it. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you smash that like button. We're currently sitting on 300 subscribers. Let's go. Target is 400. Target is 400. If we can get to 400, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I will be more happy. I will be happier. be happier. I'll be happier. Did you take the sell? No. Remember, I'm still waiting for the H1 to close. I'm waiting for this to close, and then if price can actually go back and retest that. And not only that, we also have this bearish order block here, not just the CB that I'm looking at, we also have that bearish order block there. So yeah, if price close like this, 16 minutes left, price close bearish, and then it'll confirm our CB, and then as soon as price tap into that CB, I'm definitely gonna take the sell. Definitely, most definitely, most def. And if that happens, I'll definitely share it in the chat. I mean, in the Telegram channel. I'll definitely share it in the Telegram channel. So yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. Let's just keep it like that. So yeah, I'll definitely share this trade if it plays out. But yeah, I think this is it for the stream. The only trade that's running is the GBP. I mean, it's the German. Is a German. We already took out Asia high, so prices might reject off of that. So yeah, there is bearish SMT also. Okay, SMT with AUD, USD, of course. Let's see from which time frame. Let's look at the 15. Where's the NZD? Yeah, SMT prices. This failed to take out Asia high or the previous day high, while the Aussie actually did that, took all the highs. So yeah, there's that SMT too. So yeah, there's that SMT. True. So that only confirms proper our sell. It even gives me more confluence to actually take the sell. So we're just gonna wait for that. James, yeah man, guys, I'll see you guys on the next stream, and the trade will be updated in the Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, make sure you do that. Link is in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. London session. Be here, don't be late. James, don't be late. Be here on time. And yeah guys, I will see you tomorrow. Peace. Let me end it with some did I just do that?
You go bow for the
nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonnet. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of our life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep body, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fait, on m'a tête, chocolat, fine, oh, baguette, watch your